If your screen rotation is not working on iPhone, here's how you can fix it. First, check whether your phone's sensors are working properly. To do this, open the Compass app and calibrate the compass. If the compass rotates correctly, that means your iPhone hardware is fine. If it doesn't work, visit your nearest Apple Service Center. Now let's move to the next step. Open Settings and search for Display Zoom. Make sure it is set to default or standard size. Third method, open the Control Center and turn the rotation lock on and off. Then check whether screen rotation is working or not. Fourth method, open Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Then scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and then tap Reset All Settings. Lastly, make sure your software is up to date with the latest iOS version. And that's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.